Hello everyone and welcome back to my painting channel. Today we're going to create a peaceful and magical forest lake scene featuring a beautiful deer standing at the water's edge. The calm turquoise water, the dense forest in the background, and the gentle reflections on the lake come together to create a serene atmosphere full of depth and tranquility. To begin, I mix blue, white, and just a touch of black to create a cool, misty blue tone. I apply this color to the upper third of the canvas, establishing the distant background forest. For the lake, I mix a beautiful turquoise blue and gradually lighten the color as I move downward, creating the soft glow of clear water reflecting the sky. Next, I paint subtle vertical reflections of the distant trees, letting them fade gently into the lake. These reflections immediately help establish the calm mood of the scene. Using a dark mixture of blue, yellow, and red, I create a muted, natural tone and paint a narrow strip of land between the forest and the water. Now it's time to build the distant forest. With a smaller brush and a muted, lighter tone, I begin shaping the background trees. I start with darker highlights, carefully placing shadows in areas I want to push farther back into the distance. As I move forward through the layers, the highlights become brighter and more visible. Using gentle tapping motions with the brush, I create dense clusters of trees, allowing them to overlap naturally and form a rich forest canopy. To strengthen the realism, I add soft reflections of these brighter tree highlights onto the surface of the lake. A few subtle highlights are also added to the distant shoreline, helping separate it from the surrounding water. With a thin, diluted light color, I paint delicate horizontal lines across the lake. These soft strokes suggest gentle ripples moving across the surface. I brighten part of the foreground water slightly, creating a sense of depth and drawing the viewer's eye toward the center of the scene. For the foreground, I mix a dark brown using yellow, red, and black. This becomes the base color for the shoreline where rocks and pebbles will later be placed. Using the same dark brown mixture, I paint a tree trunk growing from one side of the shore. I also begin placing various stones and rocks, both along the shoreline and partially submerged in the water. With a liner brush, I extend graceful branches from the tree, allowing them to stretch naturally into the composition. Their curved shapes help frame the scene and guide the viewer's eye toward the center of the painting. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. Please tell me in the comments where you're watching from and what makes you enjoy my painting videos. Is it the peaceful atmosphere, the step-by-step process, the colors, or simply the love of art? I always enjoy reading your comments and connecting with viewers from around the world. Now we arrive at the focal point of today's painting. The beautiful deer standing quietly at the edge of the lake. I begin by sketching the general shape of the deer using a rich brown color. Once the basic form is established, I gradually lighten the color and begin adding highlights to the face, back, shoulders, and legs. Layer by layer, I build the volume of the animal, carefully creating the subtle curves and contours that make it feel alive. Using a very small brush, I define the eyes and nose, bringing personality and expression to the deer. I also add brighter highlights to the antlers, allowing their elegant structure to stand out against the background. The process continues slowly and patiently. Each layer of highlight becomes slightly brighter than the last, helping to reveal the details and textures of the deer. Finally, I add the beautiful white spots across its back, one of the details that gives this animal so much charm and character. To integrate the deer into the scene, I paint a soft reflection beneath it in the water. This reflection is subtle and slightly blurred, helping the animal feel naturally connected to its surroundings. Returning to the foreground, I begin highlighting the rocks and pebbles. By gradually lightening my colors and carefully placing highlights on the upper surfaces, I create the illusion of sunlight catching the stones. These small details add texture and realism to the shoreline. As a final touch, I return to the foreground branches and paint clearer, darker leaves. A few bright highlights on the leaves and the tree trunk help bring everything together and create a beautiful sense of depth. With the final details complete, today's painting comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed watching this peaceful forest lake scene come to life and found the process both relaxing and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting the channel with a like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps me continue creating more painting tutorials and sharing new artwork with you. Thank you so much for painting with me today. Until the next painting, take care and happy painting.